Hey there, welcome back to Wealth Strategies. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly change the course of your financial future. The top mistakes that new investors make. Believe me, you don't want to fall into these traps because they can cost you so much more than money. They can derail your dreams, your goals, and your peace of mind. I've been there, and I'm here to make sure you don't have to go through the same painful lessons. So let's jump right in. Investing can feel like a roller coaster, right? It's exciting, heart-pounding, but also, at times, downright terrifying. Did you know that nearly 90% of new investors make the same rookie mistakes? I've been in those shoes, feeling the anxiety and uncertainty. And trust me, it doesn't feel good when you realize that what you've worked so hard for might be slipping away because of a mistake that could have been avoided. I want to help you break that cycle and set you up for success from the very start. Let's talk about the first mistake, not having a clear plan. Imagine going on a road trip with no destination in mind. Sure, it might feel fun at first, spontaneous even, but before you know it, you're lost, frustrated, and burning through resources without getting anywhere. Investing without a plan is exactly like that. You might enjoy the ride when things are going well, but without a destination, you can end up completely off track. Before you invest, pause for a second. Think about what truly matters to you. Are you saving for that dream home? Preparing for retirement? Funding your child's education? Having a clear goal will give your decisions purpose, and more importantly, it'll keep you grounded and motivated when the road gets rough, because it will. But with a solid plan, you'll know where you're headed. Next up, chasing trends. We've all seen those viral stocks that everyone seems to be talking about, and let's be real, it's incredibly tempting to jump in. But here's the thing, investing isn't about following the crowd, it's about making smart, informed decisions. When you chase trends, you're gambling with more than just your money. You're gambling with your future. Instead, take the time to really understand what you're putting your money into. Do the research, weigh the risks, and trust that your patience will pay off. Your future self will look back and thank you for not making impulsive decisions. Now, let's dive into emotional investing. It's so easy to let fear or excitement drive your decisions. Believe me, I've been there. When the market takes a dip, your gut reaction might be to panic and sell everything, and I totally understand. Watching your hard-earned money seemingly vanish can feel like a punch to the stomach, but here's the reality. History shows that staying calm during those nerve-wracking moments often leads to better long-term results. So, when things get tough, take a deep breath, trust the process, and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Stick to your long-term plan, and you'll come out stronger on the other side. Another huge mistake is the lack of diversification. If you're putting all your eggs in one basket, you're playing a dangerous game. Diversification is your safety net, spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes. It's like having multiple backup plans. If one investment tanks, the others will help catch you before you hit the ground. And that peace of mind, knowing you've got your bases covered, will help you sleep better at night, because investing shouldn't keep you up with worry. Let's chat about fees and taxes. So many new investors brush off these costs thinking they're no big deal. But here's the truth. Over time, those fees can quietly drain your profits and slowly chip away at the wealth you're trying to build. It may not seem like much at first, but it adds up. Knowledge is power, my friends. You've worked hard for your money, so make sure you know exactly what you're paying and how it affects your returns. This is about protecting your future, not just your bank account. And here's the last big mistake: overreacting to market volatility. Markets go up, markets go down. That's just the nature of the game. But if you panic every time you see a dip, you might end up making rash decisions and miss out on the recovery when things bounce back. So take a deep breath. Remind yourself that investing is a long-term journey, not a sprint. Yes, the road gets bumpy, but those bumps are part of the ride toward growth. Trust the process and stay focused on your bigger goals. So, how can you avoid these mistakes? Here are some quick tips to keep you grounded. Have a clear investment plan. Know your destination before you start the journey. Number 2, do your research before jumping in, and don't just follow trends. Number 3, stay calm during market fluctuations. Your future self will thank you. Number 4, diversify your portfolio for a smoother, safer ride. Number 5, keep an eye on fees and taxes so they don't sneak up on you. The more you educate yourself, the better decisions you'll make. Investing is all about building a future that you can be truly proud of. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more personal finance and investing tips. What mistakes have you made or seen others make? Drop them in the comments below. Let's all learn from each other. Until next time, take care and happy investing.